are using this.
I want to scale horizontally. I mentioned, right, microservices fundamentals. We can scale at service level. Deposit service, withdraw service are heavily used. When I told in the microservices fundamentals, Mulchan, you remember, right? I can scale at individual service level. I mentioned, right?
Sir.
Yes or no? Remember, right? Yes. Here also, if I want to scale maintenance service, five instances are there. Computer one service, computer 2 another service, computer 3 another service. Okay, maybe let me draw, because and people don't confuse, guys. If you understood this fine, if you don't understood, I'll explain further. Okay, what is the meaning of load balancer? I'm going to explain here. Okay, sir. Here what I'm doing is typically maintenance service 1, maintenance service 2, maintenance service 3, maintenance service 4. 4 services are there, assuming that. Okay, 8300 is on 4 nodes, 4 computers. 8300. This is on server 1. Maybe I can write 192 dot or host name 1. This is host name 2. This is host name 3. This is host name 4. Okay, sir. Now when my service is in 4 places, where I need to go? Do I need to go to host name 1? Do I need to go to host name 2? Do I need to go to host name 3? Do I need to go to host name 4? Where I need to go? I don't know, right? That's why we are having a concept of load balancer. Okay, sir? We are typically having a concept of load balancer. By default, this is not a SpringBoot component. AWS is giving, Azure is giving, Google is giving. Also, Spring is also giving Spring Ribbon. Spring is also giving Spring Ribbon, guys. Okay, which is listening on 8080. Assuming that Spring Ribbon. Okay. Now my service will talk to 8080. It may go to host name 1, it may go to host name 2, it may go to host name 3, it may go to host name 4. So load balanced annotation, which is going to go to the template wherever it's free. This is typically a manager is having 4 resources. Typically same like a manager is having 4 resources. Now if anyone want to give a work, how they should go? They will approach manager only, right? Manager knows this guy is free, this guy is free, this guy is free, this guy. He will reroute. Correct, right? Typical development software process I'm talking. Here also, we are going to the load balancing component, which is given by AWS is giving, GCP is giving, Azure is giving, Spring Ribbon is also giving. I will explain Spring Ribbon in that context actually. Okay, what exactly that does actually? It will reroute the traffic to any one of the instance based on the load. If server 1 host name is busy, 1 and 2 are busy, it will route to 3. 1 and 2 or 3 are busy, it will route to 4. based on the CPU load, it will route the traffic. So load balance annotation is going to redirect to the request. But in this context, we don't have a load balancer. That's why I'm directly writing empty template. And it is mandatory in microservice architecture. If you don't have load balancer also, you should return the same instance. Directly, you should return the same template. Here, I don't have a load balancer, right? So this code you will understand clearly when I explain a load balancing configuration, because I don't want to teach all the things in one example. As of now, I wrote this code, making sure that I don't have a load balancing configuration. Mulchand, is that clear?